It's a bad idea to shop with your husband. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Selena and today we will be shopping for Christmas gifts and doing a taste test review of Zaxby's. Zaxby's recently had their new sensational salad and other salads come out, so I've been wanting to try them for a while. It takes a while for me to dine out to eat. I don't know. Every time I dine out, I feel like it's not necessarily the best experience. Food is just like, I hyped it up too much and then it wasn't up to my expectation. Not that I have a very elaborate tester. Anyways, yeah, so that's what we're doing today. And in my Christmas shopping adventure at Target, my husband also went, and so you'll see how that played out because we were buying gifts for each other. Anyways, I hope y'all enjoy the video. May I please have one sensation salad? Yes, please. Egg roll. I don't normally like crinkle fries, but these are actually really good. Very crispy. And this sandwich is pretty wet. You can see the hot sauce. I rate this a 9.5 out of 10. Wait, let me get another bite. The salad is really good, but it's a bit sweet. So I'd rate this 7.5 out of 10. Peach tea is a 10 out of 10. What do you think? He says yes. Alright y'all, we're actually here at Target. We're gonna go Christmas shopping for each other and hide each other's baskets away from each other. So we'll see how that goes. But we're gonna split up and hopefully he won't see what I put in my basket. He's not gonna watch this YouTube video. I will show y'all what I get my husband for Christmas. Let me know if you guys do this in the comment section down below. Do you shop with the person that you're going to buy gifts for and try to hide it? Let me know. Target fit check. Did you know if you bring your own bag to Target, you get 5 cents off per bag? Yay!
Berry.
I want to try that one. Go ahead and get a bonnet because I could not find my one and I don't know where it's at, but I'm getting this and it's adjustable. With my big head and my thick hair, I think that is definitely needed. I found someone. See what you want.
What'd you get?
Oh, I didn't get, actually I got stuff for myself. I actually didn't get your stuff yet. Okay. That's the same one you favorited on Amazon.
It's a better price than Amazon.
Because it was $140 before?
I think it was on sale for $115 on Amazon.
No, it wasn't.
Check it. I'm pretty sure it was.
Well, I didn't get anything for you yet. It's all stuff for me so far.
I got you.
No? We'll just get it for you now.
Can I use it tonight?
It's a bad idea to shop with your husband.
You can just wrap up the box and I can use it tonight.
You can't use it tonight.
You have a puke stain on your side of the bed.
That's from Mochi.
I'm aware.
Okay, sure. You don't want the espresso machine. I don't have that kind of money. How long are you going to be in this area so I know when to leave? Okay, I'll come back in 5 minutes. This is the problem when shopping with your husband. You guys run into each other and it's not a secret anymore. But to support my side of things, I wanted to go by myself. He wanted to come along with, couldn't say no, and okay, we're both equally at fault for this. Now it's like, is this an early Christmas gift? Because he wants to use it tonight. Our dog recently threw up and we just discovered it in our bedroom. Kind of need to use it, but the regular sprays did not work for the stain, so we couldn't shout it out, you know what I mean? I really should have wrote my Christmas list down on my phone in addition to on paper, but I really found a game that I think Brad would like. I am getting this because my tumbler broke. I kept dropping it so many times. 16 ounces. Don't watch me load the car so you don't know what you're gonna get. Okay, you guys, we just got home and I think we decided that this whole carpet cleaning machine maybe is like an early Christmas gift, but maybe not. I don't know. We've had some weird stains pop up and we think our dog Mochi has been vomiting. She has a vet appointment tomorrow, but we will see. I've been really trying to save money and be smart about things. Buying adult things is hard, and having a pet is a lot of work and responsibility, and I feel like every vet trip spend hundreds of dollars. Not complaining, I'm just saying, accounting that into my budget. We just already started using the carpet cleaner already. If you are looking for a carpet cleaner, it is $100 at Target. It's originally retails for $139.99. Same deal on Amazon, so depending on where you want to buy your gifts or your items from, same exact price. It's the Bissell. I'll put the information right here. Let me know in the comment section down below. Do you get very excited for the holidays and then you start buying gifts early? And does that end up becoming an early Christmas gift to yourself and you start using it, or do you kind of wait? We did try to shout it out a couple of times, but it's a lighter color rug, just so much more visible and harder. Alright y'all, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section down below if you want me to do a different type of video or if you have a video idea. Like, share, subscribe. If you don't, I just appreciate you being here. And I love you guys. Thank you again, all 1,000 plus of you. It's so nice to have, you know, a new community, and I just feel so grateful for 1,000 subscribers, or 1,000 plus, but my dog's doing zoomies in the room. I will see y'all in my next video. Bye!